You can naturally boost your metabolism, control your hunger, and start burning stubborn fat without relying on extreme diets or dangerous pills. That's the promise behind KeySlim Drops. But does it really deliver? Or is it just another overhyped product with a flashy label and empty results? Let's break it down, simply and honestly. KeySlim Drops has been gaining attention online because of its all-natural formula and the fact that it's in liquid form. That alone makes it different from most weight loss products out there. It's marketed as a three-phase solution: appetite control, metabolic boost, and long-term fat burn. And sure, those claims sound great. But what's really behind the formula? And most importantly, is it worth your money? Here's the problem. Most people struggling with weight loss are tired. Tired of trying new things. Tired of empty promises. Tired of wasting time, money, and energy. And to be honest, that's understandable. Because the market is full of products that say one thing and do another. So when a new product like KeySlim Drops shows up, it's normal to feel skeptical. But at the same time, many people are looking for real help. Not a miracle. Just something natural, safe, and effective that supports the work they're already doing. Whether it's eating better, exercising more, or just trying to gain control over cravings. That's where KeySlim Drops claims to come in. This product contains 24 natural ingredients, and I'm not talking about generic fillers. We're looking at clinically studied elements like Gymnema sylvestre, known for reducing sugar cravings, L-carnitine and L-glutamine for metabolism and recovery, green tea and guarana for energy, raspberry ketones, African mango, grapeseed extract, and even adaptogens like maca and eleuthero. Each one chosen to work together in synergy. And there's something else. It's in drop form. Why does that matter? Well, liquids are absorbed faster and more efficiently by the body. That means your system doesn't need to digest a capsule or wait for it to dissolve. The ingredients get to work quicker. For people who've tried pills in the past without success, this can be a big deal. Let's talk about what people are actually experiencing. There are reviews all over the place, and while some are clearly from affiliates, many are from real users. The most common feedback? More energy during the day, less hunger, especially at night. Some report better focus and mood. Others say they feel lighter within a couple of weeks. But most agree on one thing: consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but you will notice changes with regular use, especially when combined with healthy habits. But let's not ignore the risks. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's harmless. Some ingredients, like guarana and green tea, contain caffeine. That means if you're sensitive to stimulants, you might feel jittery or have trouble sleeping. Others, like GABA or eleuthero, can interact with medications. That's why it's always smart to talk to your doctor, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or take medication regularly. Now, one of the biggest concerns people have is, where can I buy the real thing? And that's a valid question. Because unfortunately, there are counterfeit versions being sold on online marketplaces like eBay or even Amazon. The safest place to get KeySlim Drops is directly through the official website, which is powered by Digistore24. They offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee. That's 2 whole months to test the product and decide if it's working for you. Another big question people ask is, who is this really for? If you're looking for a magic fix, this isn't it. But if you're doing your part and want a supplement that works with your body, not against it, then KeySlim Drops could be a solid tool in your journey. It's great for people who've hit a plateau, for those who struggle with emotional eating, or for anyone who wants to feel more in control of their appetite. And because it's made with natural ingredients, it's a gentle option for long-term support. That doesn't mean it's perfect. No product is. But compared to many out there, especially the ones loaded with synthetic chemicals or shady ingredients, KeySlim Drops is transparent. You know what you're taking, you know what to expect, and that counts for a lot. So let's be real. Is it worth trying? If you're serious about making changes in your lifestyle and want something to help boost your results, yes, it's worth considering. But you have to use it right. That means taking the drops daily, being patient, and pairing them with habits that support your goals. No crash diets, no extremes, just consistency. And if you do that, you may be surprised by how your body responds. Now here's one last tip. Don't fall for fake discounts or knockoff versions. Always go through the official link. That's the only way to make sure you're getting the real product with a real guarantee and real support if you need it. So if you've been thinking about trying KeySlim Drops, this is your chance. Click the link in the description below to access the official page, check out real customer reviews, and see if the offer still includes the money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay focused, and remember, real change starts with one simple decision.